Hey guys, I am so excited to show you guys another Petite Ave because you guys know I am all about the petite style services. So super excited about this. This is my second one and I am pumped to just dive right into this. So I've had a few videos now where I filmed the intro and lost it, and so the intro was much more abbreviated. So I'm gonna actually try to do that now. So I think what I want to do is pull everything out super quick and not spend any time really describing it and then or giving any details on it. And so pull it out super quick, super first impressions, and then we'll jump right into the try on, and then at the end I'll give you the details of all the pieces and the style service and all that. So we're gonna give that a whirl, and that means you guys get to the sweet stuff a lot quicker. Okay, we have two bundles here. I do provide a mailer to send back anything that you're not going to keep. Okay, we have two bundles. Let's dive right into this. We've got, oh, this is soft. A soft sweater. It's a cropped sweater, but not too cropped, and there's a twist front in it. And oh, I'm excited to try that on. And then we have this pink shirt. It's kind of a, not quite a V-neck, but kind of a scoop neck, half sleeve. So I think that is super cute. Oh, this is nice. We've got a jacket. I love a jacket. And it's an extra small petite moto style jacket. I believe we'll find out for sure when I get this on. So yay. Okay, so far I love these three pieces. So second bundle. Okay, we have a burgundy something. I love burgundy. Oh yeah. Jumpsuit, guys. Jumpsuit. It's a strapless jumpsuit. And I was so excited because they do send you, the service does send you a preview, and you can tell them to replace something if you don't want it, which I did do a replacement. I think this is going to be my replacement item, I think. And so I did tell them to replace something because it was just clearly too cropped. And so, but this one I was really excited to try it. So very different than anything I've tried, and I'm excited to. All right, this is a surprise to me, and it is a very soft sweater, buttoned up, kind of cropped but not too cropped. So I'll definitely be trying these on with some high-waisted pants. So okay, hopefully I didn't spend too much time describing stuff. Let's just go to the try on. Okay, first outfit we have is the jumpsuit and the jacket. The jacket is super cute. I like it. It's soft. It's like that faux suede, micro suede feel to it. Super soft. So I love that. There's no zip up on it, so it is meant to be worn open. I do like it. Let's check on the pockets. It's got some zip up pockets here. So I like that. Let's get the hands in the pockets to get full effect there. Okay, cute. I think I do wish that it had a zipper on it so it could be zipped up. I think it just feels kind of like there's extra fabric here that doesn't need to be here. But sleeve length and armpit wise, it's a great fit, so I do like it. The jumpsuit, it is strapless and super soft though, very soft, and pockets, which I like, and it's not quite ankle length, you can see that. So I like it. I'm not sure about the fact that they're not full length. It's you know, kind of a capri type jumpsuit. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure if that's me. I like it. I'm sure I'd love it on somebody else. I'm just not sure if I love it on me. Here is the 360. Okay, let's get the next item on. Okay, the next item up here is this drape, or almost like a faux wrap or tulip, maybe I should call it tulip front half sleeve top. It is super comfortable. Doesn't seem like it's too low. It's not too bad. And then I do think the tulip front is a cute detail. It would probably be one that I would wear cami underneath just to make sure that when I lift, you know, my arms up, I'm not showing any midriff. But I do like it. I think it's cute and unique. And, you know, I've struggled to accept, you know, kind of this whole crop style is in, but on certain pieces, I think I'm okay with it. So I like it. I'd like to hear you guys' thoughts on this. And let's get one of the sweaters on next. Okay, here we go in kind of the crop sweater, button up and V-neck. It's actually super soft, super comfortable. It has an oversized feel to it, just kind of in the bagginess, general bagginess of it, but not, I'm fine with it, not too oversized. I think this one is a little too cropped for my taste. Again, I get that this is in style, but I don't see myself wearing this past this being in style. So to me, this isn't something that I'm gonna find myself pulling for past probably, you know, the next year or two. So I think probably gonna make it a deal breaker, but we'll see. I got one last sweater to try on. Okay, so this sweater again is a bit of a crop top as well, but for some reason I'm cool with it on this one. I like the color of it. It's kind of a medium darker brown. I think it's really pretty color. Kind of has several tones of colors in there. Super soft. I like that. It fits well, and I really like this twist detail on it. Again, probably would wear a cami underneath it to tuck into my pants and keep my midriff covered, but I was gonna wear a cami underneath it no matter what because I'm cold. So I like this. I like this quite a bit, and again, I do think I would pull for it hopefully for a while, but I don't know. So let's go over prices and I'll tell you the brands of everything and we will decide what to keep. All right, hopefully you guys enjoyed the try on. I enjoy trying on these pieces. Let's talk about brands and prices and things like that. So we have, this is the Gray Fuzzy Sweater by Love and Adored, $49. I liked it, but I just didn't love it enough, and it just seemed super cropped, and I didn't feel like I'd pull for it when that whole crop style isn't around anymore. Then we have, this is the Pink Ruched Top by Leith, L-E-I-T-H, and it is $35. I like it. I really thought that kind of the tulip look for it, and there's actually some ruching here on the side, gave it a good feminine shape to it. I'm kind of on the fence of this one. I might be talking myself into it, and I like kind of the mauve-y pink color to it. So I'm kind of mixed on that one. The jumpsuit, this is the red strapless jumpsuit, though I'd call that burgundy. And this is by West Key. It is $69. It felt great. It was cute, but I just didn't feel like it was me. I just don't know that I ever reach for it, so not gonna keep that. I am wearing the Twist Knot crop sweater by Love and Adored, and this is $56. I am definitely leaning towards keeping this one because I just think it's really cute and comfortable and it fits my style. So then we have this Philosophy jacket, and this is called just the Black Moto Jacket by Philosophy Apparel, and $69. I liked it. Again, I'm not sure that I absolutely loved it, so I'm not sure I'm gonna keep this. So I have a lot of pieces here I liked. There was nothing in here that I just like absolutely in love with. I would say this sweater is probably my favorite piece. So I'm thinking about just keeping this, but I would love to hear you guys' opinions. You guys are always so helpful. So let me know what you think. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to try for this service for yourself, I have a referral link below. It'll get you 10% off your first box. Originally, I think they were doing the, you know, you both get $25, but that probably just wasn't financially feasible for a new company. So you get 10% off of your first box. So please be aware of that. And I'd love to hear you guys' feedback on what to keep. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I am done talking now. So have a great day. Love you guys. Bye.